Hey Victor, this is Larry Powell, Top Shelf Rankings. I got this information together for you, so I just wanted to go over what I was able to find. We're going to look at what your competition has going on, and what you guys have to do to pass them up and take that next step in your business. So we're going to really focus on what I call the big three, and that's content, backlinks, and citations, and kind of what those mean to your business and your website, what you have to do to utilize those things to pass up your competition. So first thing, looking at content on your guys' website, Google looks at over 200 different ranking factors when determining which website is in that #1 spot, and content is one of the easiest ones to influence. With that content, you usually want to shoot for anywhere from around 1,500 words to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. And you also want to make sure you have the search terms you actually want to be found for within that as well. So we'll go over just a couple of the search terms or the key terms that I found that could really generate a lot of business for you guys. But with those, you want to make sure you structure those into the content in a way that appears natural to Google and to the possible customers that are coming to your website looking for these services. But overall, your guys' site looks really nice. I really love the color scheme you guys have going on here. Fits really well with the whole foundation aspect of your business. Everything looks really good on your guys' site. So looking, excuse me, I kind of have a bit of a cough, so I apologize if I'm doing that in this video. So there's a tool I use called AHrefs. And what this allows me to do is actually a couple different things. You'll see me use this in a couple different places on this video. But I can actually look at search terms that people are searching for in your area and the number of searches that they're getting per month. So we can see that foundation repair Kansas City is currently getting 350 people per month searching for this search term. So people looking for the services you're actually offering. And then we can see foundation repair KC is currently getting 200 searches per month. So for ranking in the top spot just for these two search terms, that's a potential 550 clients that you guys could be having, looking at your guys' website every month just for these two search terms. And there's a lot more of them out there. So for what we're going to look at today, we're going to focus on foundation repair Kansas City just because it has the higher search volume. So looking at this, the first thing we see as we search this in Google is we see Google Ads. So this is people paying Google to have their website at the top of Google search. This can definitely be a great way to get leads coming in right away, but you're going to have a lot higher return on investment and see a lot more long-term growth organically ranking your website here in the GMB or map pack and organically in these search results here. So looking at the organic rankings currently for map pack, one of the biggest influencing factors for this is what's known as citations. You guys have a lot of great reviews. You've already pointed that out. But citations is really going to be that thing to really bump you guys up to that next level. And citations, what those are is your business name, address, and phone number. You can list these on directory sites like a Yelp page, Yellow Page listing, even your Facebook page. If you list all that information, those all count as citations. And so the goal here is to have more citations than what your competition has to drive you guys up into these top 3 spots. You can actually get 30 to 50% of all of your leads coming just from this GMB, so it is very valuable territory for your business to be in. Now looking at the organic rankings, we can see that Olshan Foundation is the #1, and then KC Pier is the #2 site. So we'll look at these sites, kind of compare what they have going on to what you have going on and see what you guys have to do to pass them up. So looking at Olshan, we can see that again, there's not any content really on their site either, a little bit more than you guys have. But still not a ton of content on here. You guys could definitely, pass them up with those 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. One thing to really keep in mind is Google has no emotion. Google looks at the words on a page. They don't look at pictures. So, how your site looks really doesn't matter. What really matters is what Google can actually see, and that's content. So that's definitely going to help you guys out with passing them up. Now, what we're also looking for here is the back end of their site. So, kind of what causes this site to rank is also the backlinks. And so the best way to describe what a backlink is, it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. You have the most popular kid in school, we'll call him website A, and you have the least popular kid in school, we'll call him website B. And website A is going to link himself to website B, and what happens is it brings up that popularity of website B, makes him look more popular in Google's eyes, and brings him up in the search results, moves him up in those rankings. So we can see that Olshan currently has 144 backlinks. They're ranking for 112 keywords, and they're getting 177 people per month to their website. What's cool about this tool is we can actually go through and also see the different keywords that they're ranking for. So that way you guys can kind of do some research and see exactly what you want to be found for your business. So we can see again that 350 searches. They're getting 103 people per month to their website just from this one search term. We can also see, foundation repair, Kansas City, Missouri. It's another 90 searches per month. Kansas City foundation repair, 100 searches per month. Basement waterproofing, 90 searches per month. So there's a lot of opportunity out there for you guys just by focusing on the correct key terms. Looking at the backlinks for them, they do not have a lot of backlinks, so it'd be very doable to pass these guys up with a proper backlink strategy and really focusing on getting niche relevant, so ones that are relevant, to your guys' industry, focusing on stuff that involves, basement waterproofing or foundation repair. So like you guys can go out and get a backlink from your local Pizza Hut, but it's not going to carry as much weight as if you guys were to go get a backlink, from a basement repair company here out of Oregon, where I'm based out of, because you guys aren't slinging pizza. So you guys are building concrete, you're doing concrete, I'm sorry, I'm blanking, foundations. So that's one of the things you guys really want to focus on is the relevancy behind those backlinks. So looking at the second ranked site, we have KC Pier. Looking at their website, they do have an okay amount of content on here. So really focusing on that content again is going to help you guys out with that. Looking at the back end of their site, we can see that they have 46 backlinks, so hardly any at all. They're ranking for 490 keywords and they're getting 225 people per month to their website. So even more than the last site. Looking at their keywords, again, we can go through, we can copycat a lot of these same ones and find out, what we want to rank you guys for that's going to make the most sense for your business and give you the most bang for your buck. So that's my recommendations for that. So looking at those two sites compared to yours, I know you said you've been doing some of this stuff on your own. You're definitely on the right track, but currently you guys are lacking a little bit in the backlinks. So this tool is not currently showing you guys as having any backlinks coming up for your website. You're only ranking for 5 keywords. Organic traffic, it has you at 0. Chances are you guys are probably getting more people coming to your site, from Facebook and stuff like that. But people from accessing your site from Google, you guys aren't currently getting any. Which is totally not a bad thing. What that means is you guys haven't had anybody in there screwing anything up. You guys are kind of a clean slate. So it makes it very easy for us to come in there and start doing this work to your website and really get it rocking and rolling and taking you guys to that next level. So just to summarize everything one more time, first thing is going to be content, focusing on getting that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. Another thing you guys could do that would really help you out is you could actually build out individual location pages for each one of these locations you want to rank. That'll help you rank for these individual cities as well. Again, I just looked at Kansas City. There's a lot more out there if you were to look at these other areas as well. The next thing is going to be citations. So getting those citations pointed towards your GMB. You guys already have a lot of great 5-star reviews, but those citations is what's going to drive you guys into this top 3 and get you to that 30 to 50% of leads coming in. And then lastly is going to be those backlinks, focusing on location relevant, niche relevant, focusing on stuff related to foundation repair. You guys are going to be well on your way to getting into this top spot and claiming, this business is currently going to your competitors. I hope you got something out of this. I'd love to talk to you more about how we can help you implement this. I know you're doing this all on your own right now, but definitely love to kind of help you out with getting a plan in place for getting this stuff taken care of. Hope you have a great rest of your day and hope to hear from you soon.